Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Telegram into Home Assistant and use it as a temporary cloud storage for your security cameras. I will walk you through the process on how to create a Telegram bot, configure it to only answer to selected users and groups, and how to create an automation to record a video and send it using Telegram. And if you're ready, let's go! To get this working, just go to my website. First, we need to create a bot. For this, just click here and go to BotFather. This will open the BotFather conversation in your Telegram account. Here, you just need to click Start. And here, just click on New Bot, then give it a name, and now enter a user. And that's it. If everything went okay, you should now have a new bot. And you just need to copy the token. Just remember to save it somewhere safe, as we are going to need it later. Now, go back to my website. This time, we need to get our user or group ID. For this, just click here. Now, just click Start. And that's it. Now we have your account ID. If you want to allow your bot to send message to a group, first go to the group that you want to allow. Now just click here, then we are going to click on the three dots and go to Add Members. Here we're going to look for the Get ID bot. Just click on it and then click Add. Uncheck this and then click Add. And now you have your group chat ID. And you can now erase the bot from your group. And that's it. Now, go back to my website, and here go to Configuration, and we are going to copy and paste this into our configuration YAML. Now go to Home Assistant, go to File Editor, open your configuration YAML, and add this at the end. You need to update your bot key here. On Allow Chats, you need to put the IDs of the users and the group that are going to be able to interact with your bot. I'm going to put my ID and the ID of my group. And here we need to create a notify service for every user or group that we want to send a message to. So I'm just going to copy this and use one for myself and one for my group. And at the end, we are adding the folder watcher integration that we are going to use later in our automation. And below that, we need to give access to the folder that we want to use with folder watcher. And then just click Save. Now, we need to reboot Home Assistant. For this, just go to Developer Tools and click on Restart. Restart and Restart. After it's finished, to test it, go back to Telegram, then go to your BotFather conversation, and here just open the link to open the conversation to your bot. And then hit Start. After this, we can try and use the notify service, because in order to Telegram to interact with the user needs to start the conversation first. Now, go back to Home Assistant, and here just click on Service. Here we are going to look for Notify, and I'm going to select my user. Now click on Go to UI mode, and here just write a message. And then click Call Service. And that's it. Now, if you want to do it for the group, it's the same. You just need to add the bot first and then Start. For this, just click here, click in the three dots, and click on Add Members. Here, look for your bot's name. Click on it, and then click on Add. Uncheck this, and click Add. And then hit Start. And we can test it in Home Assistant. Click Call Service, and that's it. Now we can send message from our Home Assistant to our Telegram account. And now, to protect our privacy and also to avoid having hundreds of videos in a Telegram server just floating around, we are going to activate the Auto Delete option. For this, just click here, and then just click on the three dots, click on Auto Delete, and here you just need to select the time that you want your messages to expire. I'm going to choose 3 weeks, and then click Save. And now for the fun part, I'm going to show you how to use it in an automation. Now, go back to Home Assistant, and go to Settings, Automations, click on Create Automation, and Create New Automation. We are going to create 2 automations. The first automation is going to start the video recording. This time, let's say that I want to receive a message every time that my front door opens. For this, just click on Add a Trigger. Here, we're going to look for a state. And I'm going to select my door sensor. And in From, we are going to select Closed. And in To, we are going to select Open. And now, for the action, click on Add an Action. Here, we're going to look for Call Service. And here, just look for the notify service that you want to use. I'm going to use my group, and in message, I'm going to put front door open. Then click again in add an action, call service. This time we are going to look for camera record. Just click on it. Here we need to select a camera. For this, just choose entity, and I'm going to select my entrance camera. And for the file name, just go to my website, and here click on part 1, and we are going to copy the file name part, and then just paste it. This is going to create a file in the temp folder, so every time that Home Assistant starts, it's going to clean itself, and it's going to be called entrance followed by a timestamp. This is also the folder and the extension that we are using with Folder Watcher. Then just click on save. Give it a name, and click on save. Now go to settings, automations, create automation, and create new automation. The second automation is going to be triggered when the video is saved to the folder. For this, click on add a trigger. Here we're going to look for manual event. And for this, go to my website, click on part 2, and here copy the event type and the event data. This is going to be triggered when the file is saved in the folder. And now we are going to add a condition. For this, just click on add condition and click on template. Now go to my website and copy this value, and then paste it here. This is going to verify that the file that has been saved to the folder starts with entrance, which matches the name that we gave to the video in the first automation. And now for the action, just click on add an action, and here we are going to look for call service. Here we are going to look for the notify service that we want to use. Then go to my website, and here we are going to copy all the data template. Now go back to Home Assistant, click on the 3 dots, and click on Edit in YAML, and paste it here. Now what this is going to do is retrieve the file name from the event and send the video with an emoji and an entrance video caption, and then just click on save and give it a name. Then click on save. And now to test this, go back to Telegram, and that's it. With this, you should be able to send not only videos but any other messages from Home Assistant to your Telegram account. You can even create messages with interactive buttons so you can trigger any automation in Home Assistant directly from Telegram. Do you want to know more? Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!